little explorers. Have you brushed your teeth? Why do we need to brush our teeth? Do you know? Let's find out! Sugar bugs love to stay on your teeth every day. Brush them off, don't let them stay, or they'll make your teeth decay. Ow! Chomp and crunch, chew with ease. Strong, clean teeth do all of these. Brush them well, keep them tight. Munch on apples, take a bite.
Yummy!
Cavities hurt. Oh, what a pain! But brushing stops them. What a gain! Like a knight with a shield so bright, your teeth stay strong, shining white. Want fresh breath? Here's a clue. A stinky mouth won't do for you. Brush your teeth, keep them clean, smell so fresh like a dream. A happy smile, big and bright, makes you feel just right. Brush 2 minutes, night and day. Keep your smile from going away.
Okay!
So grab your brush, don't delay. Keep those sugar bugs away. Friends, let's keep the fun alive and stay excited to explore, learn, and create your own amazing story. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Bonty Little Explorers, and follow us on Instagram for more fun learning. Bye-bye.